The start of winter brought a mess of snow and slippery conditions in parts of Germany. Two people died in a traffic accident. There were many collisions, especially in Hesse. The onset of winter caused slippery accidents in several states. At least 2 people died.
Ebenerdig, das ist Parkhaus 20.
In the Schwäbisch Hall district of Baden-Württemberg, a 71-year-old man died in a collision on a snowy road on Monday evening. A 54-year-old driver died in a black ice crash near Denzerheide in Rhineland-Palatinate. According to the German Weather Service, DWD, snow and sleet will continue in many parts of Germany on Tuesday.
Sollte jetzt laufen, in der App ist auch alles eingestellt, bis so dran. Also das Warten jetzt ist gerade auch wieder umgestellt.
Winter weather will continue, stressed a DWD spokesperson. This is true at least until Friday, perhaps later. Everyone should continue to prepare for winter. Meteorologists predict that the coldest weather phase in the country has yet to arrive. This will probably be the coldest phase in late November, early December since December 2010, meteorologist Dominik Jung of weather.net told the Merkur newspaper. Back then, winter came at the end of November and lasted until New Year's Eve, the expert said. According to Jung, the coming rain could even fall like snow in the lowlands. Deep Nicholas brought a moist and cool air mass into the country, said the meteorologist. Although temperatures may drop drastically in the near future, according to Jung, the snow and cold will not be as cold as 13 years ago because the snowline has dropped significantly. In the Burgenland district of Saxony-Anhalt, a school bus carrying 16 children skidded into a ditch due to the slippery road surface. A child was injured in the crash, police said. Near Schönborn in Brandenburg's Elbe-Elster district, a school bus also went off the road and, according to police, ran into problems. He was stabilized by the driver who sent all the children to the left side of the bus. However, this meant they could no longer reach the passenger side door, the police report said. Firefighters stabilized the bus and removed the children and adults from the bus. Accidents with minor injuries and serious property damage occur in many areas of Hesse. Trees fell under the weight of the snow. The situation has become very serious in the Rheingau-Taunus district. According to the fire brigade, many drivers were trapped in their vehicles here. Near Eltville, because of the danger of falling trees, 100 people were taken to safety from their cars at a business and sports hall before being accommodated in hotels. About 70 other people were trapped in their cars on a federal highway near Linienbad and given hot drinks. Firefighters also freed 30 cars on another route near Schnurrbad. There was also a power outage in the city of Schwerte. According to a statement, the district administrator in the Rheingau-Taunus district, Sandro Zenner, CDU, called on people to stay at home. My urgent request: make sure to stay at home on Tuesday. Please do not walk in the forest either. There is great danger to life due to broken branches and fallen trees. According to DWD, the amount of rainfall in Hesse decreases at night. But the real problem is the trees that are in danger of falling under the weight of the snow, said a DWD meteorologist. Deutsche Bahn reported numerous disruptions in the regions of Hesse, North Rhine-Westphalia and Lower Saxony.